My name is Ahmed, and today we will learn how we can write code in Python. Chapter number 3, Coding with Python. Variables. We need variables to store value in our programs. What are variables? A variable is a named memory location. It is used to store the program's input data and its computational results during execution of a program. The value of a variable may change during the execution of a program. For example, length, underscore sum, num1, etc. are variables. Variable naming rules. Characters allowed in a variable name are alphabets A to Z, small letters A to Z, capital letters, numbers 0 to 9 digits, and underscore. Variable name cannot start with a number. Next is variable name cannot contain spaces. Variable name cannot contain special symbols like dollar sign, @ sign, percentage sign, etc. Python is a case sensitive language. Variable length is different from length. It is recommended that variable names should be meaningful. For example, to store the roll number, we will use the variable name roll number. Valid and invalid variable names. Number 1. 9ABC. It is invalid variable because variable name cannot start with digit. Number 2. ABC9. It is a valid variable name. It follows all naming rules. Number 3. Roll number. Invalid variable name because spaces are not allowed in variable name. Number 4. B and W. Invalid variable name due to special characters used in it. Number 5. Print. It is an invalid variable name. Variable name cannot use reserved words. Print is a reserved word. The print method. The function print is used to give output in Python. Print welcome is the syntax. The welcome message within the parenthesis enclosed in double quotation is a string and it will be displayed on the screen. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7, sum is equal to A plus B. Print sum of A and B equal to comma variable sum. The string enclosed within double quotes will be displayed as it is and the value of sum, that is 12, will be displayed on the screen. Write a program that assigns values to two variables and print their sum. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, sum is equal to A plus B. Print sum comma variable sum. The output will be sum equal to 15. It's time to write the code in Python. In Windows operating system, we will click Start button and the Start menu will appear. We will search for Python we have already installed. Click the Python folder. It contains IDLE Python, Python terminal, Python manuals and module documents. We will select IDLE Integrated Development and Learning Environment. And IDLE shell will appear. on the screen with the Python version Python 3.12.1 and the prompt for receiving the command. Type a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, sum. Remember, sum in small letters is a reserved word. We will use capital S for sum and it can be used as a variable. Sum is equal to a plus b. C is a case, Python is a case sensitive language. You need to remember same variables used as we typed on. Next is print sum equal to within quotation marks and variable after comma. It will give the result sum equal to 15. These commands will not be stored and we cannot reuse them. In order to store these commands in a file, we need to create a file. For that purpose, we will select File menu that contains File options to open new file, existing file, save commands and exit. Edit menu contains undo, redo, cut, copy, paste commands, find and replace commands and so on. Different menus contain different commands that can be used as per our requirement. We will use File menu and select the new file. The shortcut for new file is Ctrl plus N. We will click the new file command from the File menu. A text editor will be appeared with the menu and commands we have already discussed. We will type commands here. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, sum equal to a plus b. Print within parenthesis a string enclosed within double quotation marks sum equal to, comma as a separator and sum as a variable. We will close the parenthesis. Now we need to save the file and the save command is Ctrl plus S. We will write the name of file and will save it on secondary storage device. The file will be stored with the extension .py. We will type the name of the file, that is sum, and we will click the save button. The file is saved and on the title bar of the editor you can see sum.py is the name of the file. Now we need to run. From the run command we use run module and shortcut key is F5. We can use it. And after execution the output will be sum equal to 15. That is the output of our program. The same program we can reuse, we can edit and modify it as per our requirements. Now all these commands are saved for the future use. Arithmetic operators. Plus, for addition 4 plus 7 will return 11, minus subtraction 12 minus 5 will return 7, asterisk for multiplication 6 asterisk 6 will return 36, slash for division, that is floating point division 5/4 will return 1.25, percentage sign modulus operator 10 modulus 3 will return 1, that is the remainder, double slash It is a quotient operator. 18 double slash 5 will return 3, that is quotient. Double asterisk used for exponents. 3 double asterisk 3 will return 27. It's time for self-assessment test. Question number 1. A named memory location in Python is called A. a variable, B. a number, C. a character, D. a memory. The correct option is option A, a variable. Question number 2. Which method is used to give output in Python? A. int method, B. float method, C. print method, D. input method. The correct option is option C, print method. Question number 3. The extension of file in Python is a.python, b.py, c.pyth, d.pyt. The correct option is option B, .py. Today's assignment. Write a program that can assign values to two variables and perform the operations on these numbers as follows: addition operation, subtraction operation, product operation, it means multiplication of numbers, and division operation. Our next video will be about online Python compilers.